Okay guys, I am installing the Dissent off-road side steps on a family member's Grenadier. I wanted to give you guys some pointers as to what to do because the instructions are horrible and there's no other YouTube videos out there right now. So apologize for my bad setup here. I'm at a beach house and I don't have a full shop to do this in, but we're gonna make it work. So I've got the support brackets installed. Now this is the passenger side in the US, this would be the driver side in the UK. PDF instructions are oriented for driver side. Regardless, just start with driver, passenger, wherever you are. But for the front ones, the front brackets, I just wanted to point out that you're gonna use the M10s here with the M10 washers in the factory nut sets, okay? And then for the center bracket, this is the most confusing. You're gonna use the M12s here with the M12 washers. And then for the middle, I'll see if I can get you to see it. For the middle long bolt, you're gonna keep the factory drain plug, if you can see it back there behind the center bracket. You're gonna use the M12 washer. You got to cut a hole in the outer drain plug, and then for the inner drain plug you completely remove it, see it's right here, and use this big black washer, the M12 washer, and the M12 nut. Okay, for the rears you're going to use the M10s with the M10 washers on both sides and the M10 nuts. The back rear one you do in reverse. That's what they say to do. I'm gonna add some more steps here in just a second. All right, now we're under the truck again. You can see these countersunk screws here. That's what we're gonna use to mount the actual steps themselves. And so they go underneath with this mounting hardware that you just kind of place on top. They don't set into anything. Probably gonna need some help. Get somebody to help you hold it up, and make sure you use anti-seize when you put these in. All right, next step in the video, guys, I just want to show you. I got all these countersunk screws installed. I kept them loose for the most part here, and I think it's pretty much okay to tighten these up, because once you get this on and these aligned, you're good to go. Our fitment is just flush against this mud flap, which kind of nice. It keeps it reinforced. Some folks may elect to cut this flap, I guess, like this. And the next step is to take these hex bolts and route them through the top of the anti-slip top of the side steps. And they got holes for you. They should just pop right down in here. And then you're gonna take these bolts and hit it through on the back side, which we'll see how that goes. It should be tight, but we'll make it work. All right guys, so we got these top screws in. You can see they're super loose. The ones that are on this outer edge here are absolute bonkers. I don't think I've encountered much that's this maddening in the automotive world in a while. But still, the best thing that we've been able to do so far is to stick it on the end of an Allen and then shove it up in there, but tightening it is a whole nother matter. All right, after a lot of trial and error, kind of figured out a solution here. You can see that nut. What you want to do is take an 11 that fits it exactly and come in from the side, and then you can seat it right there and tighten it. Now, our other delivery method might be easier to get it on, but this is how you're going to tighten these offset bolts. All right, so we got the driver UK, passenger US side on. And again, this Allen key jabbed on there to get these outer ones on is your best friend. And then this 11 hit from the side under is how you tighten it. Okay guys, we finished the install. Sorry, it's a little bit dirty. This is the one with 2 spacers on this side, so you have no rake. It's nice and even. I think that looks the best. This is the way it looks up close. Please comment if you have any questions, because the last bit, again, I can't stress this enough, this was horrible. But you can do it. Dissent guys, if you could make a better access panel on the bottom, that'd be great. Again, comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.